Hi, this is Smita, a personal empowerment and executive life coach. And today we are going to talk about the 7 important questions to help you find out if you are in the right job. What job is right for my next step in life? What career path am I actually going for? Is my job search setting me well for that? The nagging feeling that a job might not be for you is not necessarily a negative thing, provided you work on it. Instead of dwelling only on what you may be missing out on, assess what you have. You can start by answering these 7 questions. Number one, do you want your manager's job? If you are dissatisfied with your current responsibilities but envious of your boss's job, you are probably on the right career track. It means you are looking for upward growth in the same job. People in the wrong job tend to look opposite, the nearest exit door. Don't let all the grunt work and menial tasks let you down in the above case. Lack of patience may lead you to abandon a promising career prematurely. Number two, does your to do list seem daunting, often uninteresting? Do you look at your list of tasks and at most times want to get to work straight away? In some cases, you might feel the adrenaline rush as you think about starting the task. Or instead, do you start putting off the tasks on the list for as long as possible? If this is the case, it is evident that you are unhappy with your job. Number three, does time fly at work? Do you work with an eye on the clock? Or do you not even realize when it's past closing hours? If you find yourself often skipping lunch to finish the task at hand, then, my friend, you enjoy your work. Number four, do you love talking about what you do? Are you one of those who launch into a detailed explanation when people ask, what do you do? Or do you brush off the question? When you are in a career you enjoy, you will want to talk about it with the same enthusiasm as some people talk about their favorite IPL team. Of course, I mean talking here, not complaining. Number five, do you get the Sunday blues? You wonder when your colleagues confide about spending their Sunday afternoons dreading going back to work on Monday, thinking that I have never felt the same. Or are you in that category who spends the weekends dreading about starting work on Monday? If those pangs appear for you week after week, it is a clear sign that you don't like your job. The next step here is to introspect whether you dislike the specific work or don't fit in the entire field. Number six, are you daydreaming about going to live in the woods? Do you think about starting a lucrative side hustle that will permit you not to work at all? Do you find yourself researching executive courses or visas to other countries? Part of disliking your career choice is also abhorring the very thought of work. People who don't love their job don't just dream about finding a better one. They long for a life where there's no work at all. If you are looking for indirect escape hatches and want to run away from all responsibilities, it is time to start looking for another job. Number seven, are you making voluntary personal sacrifices? Are you giving up your family time, recreation parties, pretty much everything for the sake of your job? If so, why are you doing it? Assuming that you aren't in a toxic workplace where you will be fired if you don't stay late, it means you are invested. If you are prepared to work at nights rather than binge watch Netflix, then it shows that there must be something right in your job. Now that you have thought through this question, what's your verdict? Are you in love with your job or working at the wrong place? Remember, Job satisfaction isn't as black and white as others make it out to be. Not many people in the world wake up happy each day and lavish praises on their organizations. You have to cut through the noise to assess whether you're investing your talents wisely. Take conscious steps rather than jumping ship prematurely. This video is a bite-sized segment of my detailed blog post on the subject. You might read my blog post, 22 important questions to find out if you are in the right job, on my website www.lifecoachsmitadegen.com. I look forward to your feedback once you have thought through the questions. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.